This is on my way to church. As we can see, the road is flooded. It's because Bonny, especially this season from now to rain will be falling from now till I think October or so. Almost every day we're seeing rain falling, and once the rain falls, you see the place will just be flooded. And bike is very expensive now. In fact, when we came here newly, bike was 300 naira from my place to church, but now it's 500 naira because of the even the bike people. I think they are trying because it's somehow challenging. The one is not determined. He cannot do bike work here. You can see flood everywhere. That's what they call Bonny Island. It's a place of rain. The ground here, the grasses here are green all the time. So the animals here, there are some cows, of course. There are a few cows, and you see them looking fresh, looking well fed. That's it. It's always cold. You can see weather can be cold, but not that too much anyway. So this is the road that leads to church. That side, this side. There is shell. There is the legend behind. This road, as you are seeing, used to be very, very bad when we came. And now we thank God that it's intact. Yes, it's our prayer that the other roads also will be repaired. Before we came here, I was thinking, Bonny, it will be very, it's fine, but the development is actually below my expectation. And this is a place that is so wealthy, so rich. That is the wealth of the nation. Almost 40% is from this area. But the people there are really, they are not enjoying life as they should. Maybe because the leaders are not doing the needful.